You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this fascinating word. Isn't it beautiful, but so confusing at the same time? If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English, make sure to stay tuned. So let's break it down. Inalienable, right? So it comes from the word alien. Now it's something that would be alienable is that you can make it as an alien, but this is not alienable. It's inalienable. Inalienable. The stress is on the nay syllable. Inalienable. And now, you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.